home or actually earning money online can seem like an hustle to a lot of us, but do you know that you can actually earn these dollars with your smartphone? Yes, this is possible because in this video I'm going to share with you smart ways you can earn money from your home. Maybe taking a glass of wine, or maybe taking a drink, or even taking some ice cream while these dollars keep rolling in. Yes, in this video I'm going to share with you amazing ways you can actually make money as a tester. There's testing people's product online and then earning up to $20 and even above product tested. Hey guys, my name is Ruth and welcome to Tip Growth Nation. In this channel I share how to make money online, YouTube growth tips and hacks, and how social media growth tips and hacks. See, this is the kind of content you want to see. I just want you to take a few seconds and click on the like button. Yes, like this video, then click on the subscribe button so that you'll not miss anytime we post another tips. Yes, another tips, another ideas, and another solution. So don't miss this opportunity. Stay with us, because in this channel you are going to learn a lot of ways that you can overcome the hustle of your 9 to 5, especially if you are also disabled, like trying to overcome the challenges that comes with moving around as a disabled person. You actually need to earn money from your comfort zone. Yes, I actually have to really emphasize on this because it's actually what has actually helped me. So I also share especially what I've tried. What I've tried and what I've seen people try and it works. So stay tuned. Let's right into the main video. So in this video, I'm going to share with you amazing platforms that can actually help you make money by testing people's products. Yes, you can test softwares. It can be websites, it can be apps or softwares, and then you earn this money from your comfort zone. But in this video, I'm going to share with you websites that can help you achieve this. Now let's right into the main video of the day. So stick around to the end of the second to the last website I'm going to share does not select any location. Yes, you can actually do it from wherever you are, whether in Africa, in Asia, in UK, in Canada, in US, any part of the world. So stay tuned. Let's right into the main video. So the number one I have in my list is called usertesting.com. You have to go to your Chrome or your browser and type usertesting.com. Then you get this. So once you sign into usertesting.com, so you're going to sign in. You can see here, they said get paid to test. So you boost your monthly income in your free time. So all they need you to do is that try this ultimate side hustle. It's easy, fast, and simple. Share your perspective on product and experiences and make money online from the comfort of your home. So what do you need to do in this site? You need to log in, right? To sign up. For you to sign up, you need to sign up with your email, right? And then when you sign up, you now join their queue. So you influence the biggest brand, the latest technologies and innovative companies while earning money online in your spare time. This is how it works. So all you need to do is to submit your email, take a quick practice test to join our global network of trusted contributors. Okay, so you need to sign up with your email and then they're going to give you a test. You join the queue, take a test, and then if you are welcome and accepted into this platform, you start testing products ranging from the tech sector and others, and lots more, and earn money from it. Okay, so this is just it. This is the first I have. They also have surveys. They also have surveys opportunities where you simply answer a set of questions without screen, audio, or video recording. So you complete it on any device for a flexible way to earn. They also have recorded tests. So you complete tasks while speaking your thoughts aloud with screen, audio, and sometimes video recording. Tests are taken on mobile or desktop devices, so on your own time. So you just do this on your own time, right? They also have live conversation, chat with a user testing customer via video call. So during this designated time, you share your thoughts about the product or experience about the product to them, like live. So these are different ways you can give your reviews about products and then you earn money from it. So you can see it can be either from a live conversation, from a recorded test, or even surveys. So you sign up to usertesting.com. This platform pays as well. Okay, so give it a try and let me know if you do this. So the number 2 in my list is called Userlytics. So this site is called Userlytics. So you go to userlytics.com. It's also another testing website. So in this website, all you need to do is once you get in here, so you sign up with your email as usual. You click on you are older than 16 years old. Then you agree to the terms and the use of it, and then you submit. So they're going to give you a follow back from this. Okay. So in this platform, you also test and earn from it. So you become a vital part of our global community dedicated to enhancing usability worldwide. User testing softwares. So this is easier whether you're at home, on the go, or wherever you prefer. So you can contribute your insights using your phone, your tablet, or your computer. You can see. So you can also earn through this website, whether you have a phone, a tablet, or your laptop. So you can earn using any of the device. right, as a tester. So you test softwares, you test products, and then you give feedbacks and insights. What do you think about it? Okay, now these are the 3 easy steps to start testing. First of all, you have to apply, which is for you to sign up using your email, and then you get a response to you on the next thing to do. So after you join their global network of testers, once you sign up, make sure to fill out your profile details. So after you fill out your profile details, you answer the screening questions to align with the testing opportunities that match your skills, including if you are doing website usability testing and mobile app testing. Anyone, which one are you going for? Are you going for testing websites, or you're going for testing mobile app? So you choose the one that match your own skills. Okay, so your insights help enhance the products and services for these top tier brands. So this is what you'll be doing. You'll be giving them insight about the product, about the website, about the softwares, and about the apps, and then you earn money from doing this. Okay, so you receive your compensation for each completed test. Easily track your earnings through your test feed, with payment conveniently processed every 2 weeks via PayPal. Okay, so the payment is paid via PayPal. So for you to get started, you just need to sign up and then you start testing. All right, okay, so give this a try and let me know if you tried it, if it worked for you or not. Before I proceed, please like this video. So the next website I have here is UTest. So you just go to your Chrome and type utest.com. Now if you see here, it says that it's an amazing digital experience for you as a paid tester. So you try out new products for them from your favorite brand and make them even get better. So what happens, you get paid for trying out new products and giving your honest feedback, reviews, and insights about the products. So this is another website that pays for testing. Okay, so all you need to do is just sign up. So you click on get started and then you sign up with your email. So get started, then you see here, you put your first name, your last name, your email, your date of birth, your locations and everything, and then submit. Then they are going to send you an email, right? So you follow the next instruction and prompt to be part of their community and get paid testing products, different kinds of products from tech, softwares, and lots more, apps as well. Okay, so let me know if you give this a try. The most interesting part about this particular website is that you can join from any country in the world, be it Africa, Asia, UK, and others, right? And its mode of payment is both PayPal and Payoneer. You see, so it favors a lot. So try this particular one, because even without skills, you can actually help people test their website, their apps, their products by giving honest reviews and insights about those products, how it works, what you think you can do to improve, and lots more. And you earn money from doing this, you see. So there are a lot of people who are making a lot from these. A lot of people make $1,000, 800, 2,000, depending on the party, how competent they are and what they can do with their testing, right? And how many of their testing reviews was accepted, right? So you see, you can give it a try. So let me know if you try any of this in the comment section. And at this point, if you have not clicked on the like button, please do so. Click on the like button, like this video, and also share this video to friends and family. Click on the subscribe button. Do not go without subscribing to my channel, because I will keep bringing to you updates and tips. Okay, thank you so much for watching my videos, and I would love to see you in the next one. If you also want to see more, I have a playlist here where I share different ways of making money right online. This is it. And I also have a playlist here on YouTube growth tips and hacks. So check it out and then stay tuned with me till I see you in the next one.